This is Ezra Levant for the Rebel.media. I have just received word from Tommy Robinson's family of some shocking news, shocking but not surprising. Let me read to you the message I received moments ago. They have pulled his appeal on July 10th. The state says they are not ready, unquote. Can you imagine that? Tommy Robinson has an appeal on July 10th. The judge has been selected. Lord Justice Brian Levson, literally the most senior judge in all the criminal courts of the United Kingdom. The courtroom was selected, courtroom 5. The time was set, 10 a.m. Tommy's lawyers, who have been hired 2 weeks ago, are ready. They've been working furiously. July 10th was going to be the hearing, and now, today, the state says, we're not ready. So Tommy can rot in solitary confinement a little bit longer until they're ready. Not ready. Tommy was sentenced on May 25th. That'll be a month and a half from his sentencing to July 10th. They're not ready. The Crown Prosecution Service of the United Kingdom is the largest law firm in the United Kingdom. They have more lawyers than any other firm. They're not expert in the law of contempt. They need more time. That is a damnable lie. What's so frustrating about that is that everyone else is ready. Justice Levson is ready. Tommy's lawyers are ready, even though they've only been on the file for 2 weeks. But the state is not ready, so Tommy can wait a little bit longer. You know what's so outrageous here is this exquisite demand for due process. Where was it on May 25th when Tommy was hauled off the streets, had a 12-minute hearing, and was dispatched to prison within hours? Where was the delay for Tommy Robinson to prepare properly? Where was the delay for him to meet with his own lawyers and prepare a defense? Tommy had to be whisked into prison within minutes, but the state can take its luxurious time while Tommy rots. This is outrageous. This is what Tommy would call a stitch-up. I was a little bit concerned about Justice Levson because he's a little bit political, but I thought he's a senior judge, he's a sober-minded man. I think we're in good hands. I thought to myself, little did I know that the UK version of the deep state, or whomever it is, said, make him wait a little bit longer. And there's no possible explanation. If you've read Tommy's book, Enemy of the State, you will learn how the establishment rigs the rules and violates the concept of the rule of law. To use Tommy's phrase, to stitch him up every time. And I always rolled my eyes a bit. I thought, Tommy, really? Yeah, really. And the entire world has learned today that Tommy Robinson is indeed a political prisoner. And when Tommy was ready, and the judge was ready, and the court was ready, the goddamn Crown Prosecution Service said, no, we'll let you rot a little bit longer. I am outraged by this, and so should you be. Whether or not you like Tommy Robinson, you must acknowledge that the rule of law no longer is the rule of law in the United Kingdom. I am furious. There are only two things I know to do about this. One is to write Tommy Robinson a letter in prison. You can do that from email@prisoner.com. And two, help fund Tommy's lawyers. And you can do that by going to SaveTommy.com. We're authorized by the family to crowdfund for it. I'm outraged. I don't know what else to say other than this is an atrocious moment for the country that gave the world the Magna Carta. For the Rebel.media, I'm Ezra Levant. This is outrageous. And I'm not even a Brit, and I'm outraged. If I was living in the United Kingdom, I would be beside myself right now for the state of my country. If you want to follow this story, go to SaveTommy.com.